What's good with y'all YouTube? It's XRO. And today, man, I'm trying to come at y'all with another live trading video. And today we are on GBPUSD. So, hey man, hope I'm just trying to get a little sell, a little win today, a little sell. So I'm gonna tell y'all what I saw and everything else soon as I get everything set up. So boom, that's our beam. Then we got our 1 to 2. Gotta look for possible zones that it could. I don't want it to react to this right here though. But yeah, man. Got our stops. 1 to 2, you know me, man. You know. But yeah, man, what's good with y'all? What's up? I know y'all can't. I'm really saying that like y'all could really respond IRL and in real time, but I know y'all can't. So my fault if y'all looking at me like, yo, why the fuck is he asking me questions and I can't respond? I'm just trying to, you know what I'm saying, get everything marked up. I talk to y'all at the same time. But what's good, man? If you ain't follow me on Instagram, make sure to go follow me on IG at METXRO. Link in the description down below. Honestly, that be rhyming. If this trade don't play out, fuck Forex. I'm finna go be a rapper. This shit, y'all can have it if I lose. But yeah, man, today we just in for a little sale. And oh, fuck, hold on, I'm gonna explain this trade in a minute. I got some stuff I gotta say. Make sure if y'all ain't in the Discord, it's a free Discord, free trading Discord. Make sure to go join that. You know it's lit up in there. I sent this trade out right here. I don't know if this gonna hit, but we gonna see, man. We gonna see, cause at the end of the day, I'm just hoping. What I'm hoping for is we're not gonna just, tap that. I hope we can just continue to keep going lower. No cap. Hopefully. So, yeah, if y'all ain't in the free trading Discord, make sure to go hop in the free trading Discord, man. You know what I'm saying? We got a little nice little community there. It's a vibe. Everybody lit up in there. You know what I'm saying? We trade mostly New York session, but we definitely got some London sessions in there. All you got to do is just when London session come on, just hop in the chat. Yo, what's good? Who all trade in London? This and that. And people gonna be like, yo, what's good? What you looking at? You know what I'm saying? This is what I'm looking at. Everybody just exchanging trade ideas. This shit really lit as fuck. And I ain't gonna lie, if it break above that shit, I'm definitely getting out. But cause yeah, I ain't gonna lie, if it break, I want to see it break below this previous wick though. No kizzy. I be getting super locked in like when I'm really trying to like figure out like my stuff and like watch the charts. I don't know if that's just me, but like I could be talking to somebody and if some like the charts moving, I'll just look at it and I'll just lock in. I'll just be like, hold on. You feel me? But yeah, man, make sure to go join the Discord. Link in the description down below. It's a free chat. It's a lit chat. You know what I'm saying? It's just a vibe in there, bro. You know what I'm saying? I got all types of things. I'm going to just show y'all. Hopefully while I show y'all this shit don't go crazy. Oh, shit. Yeah. So, look. I sent this trade to the chat. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully if you win it, you win it. You know what I'm saying? We got the winning setups. You know what I'm saying? I got the little winning setup section. You know, where you just go and everybody post their wins. That shit lit. So, hey, man, I'm trying to see where the fuck my take profit is at. No cap. God damn it, I'm opening up Netflix and shit. All right, we ain't there yet. We ain't there yet for sure. But hey, hopefully we can get there. I just want me a little 1 to 2. I'm gonna give y'all like why I got in the trade and everything after the trade. So hey, we just go boom. Today NFP week, so I don't know. Honestly, I don't know, man. NFP week do be NFP weekend. Hey, I'm taking that. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, we got all like right here, goddamn. I don't care. It's not a 1 to 2 all the way, but NFP week be NFP weekend, man. And hey, man, we sent that to the chat. So, hey, I love to fucking see it. I love to see it, man. This shit, man, it's I don't know what to say, bro. Join the chat. It's free. I'm not charging it. I'm not charging for this shit. Like we just in the chat vibing. But hey, man, enough of that Discord shit. You probably like O'Neal. I mean, oh shit, I exposed myself. Yes, my name is O'Neal. Only OGs really gonna remember this shit. But yeah, I'm finna explain this little trade breakdown to y'all on why I took this shit and why. See, look, this shit right here. This why I took it. I just felt some shit. I just felt some shit. You know what I'm saying? I got telekinesis and I got connections through higher ups in the market. And you know, I could just tell right when something's about to happen. I'm gonna just shut the hell up because I'm sounding stupid as shit. I sound like one of them crackheads on the street trying to tell you about life and how the CIA took my cars and how they did me dirty and all that crazy shit. But yeah, man. So like I said, we on GU, no duh. And I was going for sales right now. Now look, first thing I like to do is whenever I hop on the charts, I like to always check the 5 minute, the 15 minute, and the hour and the 4 hour. Now as of right now, on the 15 minute, we are currently damn near or trying to fight below this SMA. Then we go on the hour. Now we're below the SMA. I mean above the SMA. 4 hour. Now you may be like, Metro, what the fuck? But look, I ain't gonna lie. The 4 hour is really what made me take this trade. I'm not even gonna lie to you. And I say that because, so we had this big push down, right? And then I was like, okay, I saw this big engulfing. I'm like, okay, so you know, I was thinking like, okay, maybe it's correcting it, right? But then it went back down, and I'm like, I don't know, man. I feel like I don't know. I was really feeling like the sales was really hitting heavy, so I was just like, man, fuck, we finna just go for this shit. And like it was just a perfect setup. It was a nice supply setup. And news hit I think at 9 o'clock. And I got in on this move at what time was it? 9:20. So yeah, we wasn't in the move for that long. It was a nice little 2 candle trade TP hit. So hey man, y'all saw it. I sent it to the Discord, all that shit. People took the trade. Why didn't you take the trade? Cause you not in the Discord, bro. Hop in the Discord, man. Like I'm not charging shit. It's free, bro. I'm telling you, when you hop in the Discord, you really gonna be like, yo, this shit's free. This shit is crazy. Like I'm saying, I'm just trying to have all of us eat together, man. So make sure to go tap into the Discord. And yeah, so I mean, it was a real simple day. It's NFP week. I really wasn't tripping too much about the 1 to 2. Cause like I said, I try to be patient with shit, and I was like, I know I said, hey, if I just want to see it break below this, and it broke below it, and I just try to be disciplined. I don't want to hold it too long, and then the reverse, cause we already on different time frames, we already in buys and shit. And usually, if I do like a counter trend setup, I usually go for a 1-to-1, depending on how nice it look, and if it really move my way like really good, and with good momentum, I will like try to stay 1 to 2, but this right here, it was damn near 1 to 2. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, you learned something from it, and hopefully you didn't blow your account today. And hopefully if you're not seeing this video today, if you're seeing it 2 days later, 3 days later, hopefully you don't blow your account on FP day, because NFP day, it's I don't know, man. Just you be smooth, bro. Don't fucking overtrade. Don't do none of that dumb shit. Stay disciplined and just be picky with your setups this week. Be smart. Once you get your win, get out the markets, bro. Don't stay in the markets too long, because damn, I ain't gonna lie, I'm thirsty as hell. So I need to just end this video. I need some damn water. I'm out of water right now. This shit is bad. But I'm finna go upstairs and get some water, man. But hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and don't blow your account. We gone.